G'day team, and welcome back to another video on sequences and series. In the last video we looked at basic series, a bit of summation notation, sigma notation, and how to use that. But today we're going to apply that to arithmetic sequences, which we will turn into arithmetic series. So an arithmetic series is the sum of all the numbers in an arithmetic sequence. Makes sense. So the sum of an arithmetic sequence can be found by two formulas. So depending what information you're given in the question, Sn equals n over 2, so divided by 2 times by t1 plus tn. So if you're giving the initial point and the end point, so terms, you can use this one. If you're not given this n term, we can find it using this formula here as well. So n divided by 2 times t1 plus n minus 1 times by d. So we're going to do some examples of both. All right, so we've got two sequences here. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 28, all the way up to 28, and then 6, 9, 12, 15, and we want to find that sum to 30 terms. So what we are going to have to do is identify what information we have and what we can actually use. So in this case, we're given t1 and we're given tn. Now it's going up by 2, so we could find n. So it starts at 2, 28 divided by 2 is 14, but it started at 2, so n is 13. All right, so we've got Sn, so S of 13 is equal to 13 over 2 times by t1, which is 2 plus 28. So this is equal to 13 over 2 times by 30. Now the 30 and the 2 cancel out, so I'm just like 15, which is equal to, on my calculator, 195. Okay, so really simple. Just throw in the values and solve. Now this second one, we only know t1. We can find the common difference and we know n, but we don't know tn. So we are going to use this formula here. So S of 30, n is 30, equals 30 divided by 2, 2 times by 6 plus 30 minus 1 is 29, and d is 3. All right, so we've got this little guy to just simplify. So 15 times by 12, 29 times by 3 is 87. So we have 15 times by 99. So 15 times 100 is 150. Take away of 15 is 100. 15 times 99. 1500. So 1485. All right. Again, really simple process, but just depending on what information you're given in the question is what formula you will use. Hopefully this kickstarts you off on arithmetic series, and we'll see you in the next video.